You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce this word? This is Italian for ice cream. It means literally iced. So how do you say it? If you want to learn more cooking terms from delicious Italy, make sure to stay tuned. Gelato. Yes, so you can replace the G with a J. Gelato. Gelato is how the Italians say it. In English, the pronunciation is as gelato. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.